light slips through the blinds, casting shadows on the floorboards. A single coffee cup sits by the bed, still warm from the night before. The silence hums a familiar tune, like old friends who never left. It's just us in the rhythm of the day, slowly turning pages. We don't chase the high or the low, just find our way back home. Every step is a story untold, written in the quiet moments. The rain taps against the window pane, like a lullaby from another time. Dust motes dance in the slanting sun, painting pictures on the wall. We don't chase the high or the low, just find our way back home. Every step is a story untold, written in the quiet. The silence hums a familiar tune, like old friends who never left. It's just us in the rhythm of the day, slowly turning pages. We don't chase the high or the low, just find our way back home. Every step is a story untold, written in the quiet moments. The rain taps against the window pane, like a lullaby from another time. Dust motes dance in the slanting sun, painting pictures on the wall. We don't chase the high or the low, just find